Imagine a journey where the sea is your constant companion. A road trip that circles the world, chasing coastlines, chasing freedom. Today we'll drive together on the 10 most breathtaking coastal roads our planet has to offer. We begin in California, on the legendary Pacific Coast Highway. Ocean spray touches your windshield as the highway snakes along golden beaches and rugged cliffs. To the left, the endless Pacific stretches to the horizon. To the right, mountains rise with forests and wildflowers. This is more than just a road. It's the heart of America's road trip dream. You pass surfers, lighthouses, and seaside towns that feel frozen in time. Every curve invites you to stop and breathe in the salty air. The Pacific Coast Highway is freedom on wheels, a timeless drive where every mile tells a story. Continuing south, the misty cliffs of Big Sur rise from the ocean like a dream. Few places on Earth feel this raw, this powerful. As you cross the famous Bigsby Bridge, you're suspended between sea and sky. Below, waves crash into hidden coves. Above, fog drifts across towering redwoods. It's both peaceful and dramatic, a place where nature demands your attention. Driving Big Sur is not just about reaching the destination. It's about surrendering to the beauty around every bend. You may even spot whales migrating offshore, or condors soaring above the cliffs. Big Sur isn't just a drive. It's a reminder of how small we are compared to nature's grandeur. From America, we leap across the Atlantic to Italy's Amalfi Coast. Here, the road clings to cliffs like a ribbon, winding through pastel-colored villages. Balconies overflow with flowers, while the Mediterranean glitters below. You pass through tunnels carved from rock, emerge into sunshine, and see fishing boats bobbing in turquoise water. Amalfi is a road of romance. It whispers stories of lovers, artists, and dreamers who found inspiration where land meets the sea. Every turn feels like stepping into a painting. Now to Norway, where the Atlantic Road defies imagination. It leaps from island to island on a chain of dramatic bridges built where stormy seas crash against the rocks. On stormy days, waves rise so high they splash across the asphalt. On calm evenings, the sun melts into the horizon and the road feels endless. It's a short drive, but unforgettable, like driving on the edge of the world itself. Our journey continues into Northern Ireland, along the Causeway coastal route. This is a drive through legends, where castles perch on cliffs and the sea pounds against ancient stones. At its heart lies the Giant's Causeway, a wonder of hexagonal rocks shaped by volcanic fire and ocean waves. The road passes fishing villages, green valleys, and dramatic headlands. Every mile feels like a chapter from a fantasy tale, where myth and reality blur together. Not far away, the Ring of Kerry in Ireland offers a different kind of magic. Here, winding roads hug rugged shores and roll through emerald hills. The Atlantic sparkles in the distance, while sheep wander across the landscape. Old stone ruins stand as reminders of a Celtic past, while waterfalls tumble down mossy cliffs. Driving the Ring of Kerry feels timeless, as though the land itself is telling you stories of ancient Ireland. From Europe, our adventure heads south to Africa. In South Africa, the Garden Route invites you to explore a world of contrasts. Here, the ocean meets golden beaches, while dense forests stretch inland. Lagoons and lakes shimmer in the sunlight. You might even spot dolphins offshore or condors soaring above the cliffs. The Garden Route is a celebration of nature's diversity, a coastal journey that feels alive at every turn. Just beyond, Chapman's Peak Drive offers pure thrill. Cut into the cliffs above the Atlantic, this road twists and turns with dramatic drops to the ocean below. Every curve opens to a breathtaking view of waves crashing against stone. The wind roars, the sea sparkles, and the adrenaline surges. It's not the longest road, but few drives leave such a lasting impression. Chapman's Peak is where beauty and danger dance together. We now fly across the Indian Ocean to Australia. The Great Ocean Road stretches along the southern coast, home to one of the world's most famous sites, the 12 Apostles. These massive limestone towers rise from the sea like ancient guardians. The road curves past rainforests, beaches, and cliffs that glow golden at sunset. It's a journey through Australia's natural wonders, where every stop invites awe. The Great Ocean Road is not just scenic, it's iconic. And finally, we close our journey in Canada's Cabot Trail. In summer, it's alive with green forests and sparkling water. In autumn, the mountains blaze with red, gold, and orange leaves, creating a fiery frame for the Atlantic below. The Cabot Trail winds through fishing villages, along cliffs, and into highland peaks. It's peaceful, yet powerful, a fitting finale to our journey. 10 roads, 10 coastlines, one journey around the world. These are the places where land and sea meet, where every turn brings wonder. So tell me, if you could choose only one, which road would you drive first? If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit the like button and share your favorite road in the comments below. And if you want more adventures like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next trip.